John Dunsworth, who played Jim Lahey on the Trailer Park Boys sitcom, died on Monday due to an unknown illness. He was 71. Dunsworth's daughter, Sarah, announced the news on her father's Twitter account, writing, "With heavy and broken hearts, the family of John F. Dunsworth would like to let people know that our amazing husband, father, and grandfather, John Dunsworth, has passed away. John left this world peacefully after a short and unexpected illness," she continued. "The family would like to request that our privacy is respected in our time of grief." The actor's TV roles included playing newspaper editor Dave Teagues on sci-fi's supernatural series Haven, Forgive Me, Lex, and Pit Pony, where he acted alongside a 10-year-old Ellen Page, and The Jim Henson Hour. But he was best known as the Trailer Park supervisor on the Trailer Park Boys, the nemesis for Ricky, Julian, and Bubbles, a trio of stoners played by John Paul Tremblay, Rob Wells, and Mike Smith. Dunsworth, who was born in Bridgewater, Nova Scotia on April 12, 1946, was also a frequent stage actor in nearby Halifax, starting in 1970, where he turned a rundown waterfront building into Pier 1 Theatre, an alternative theatre company. The official Trailer Park Boys Twitter account responded to the news of his passing, writing, "We're in shock and heartbroken by the sudden loss of our dear friend, John Dunsworth." Cast member Bubbles added, "I am beyond devastated. John was a beautiful guy, brilliant and fascinating. I am forever grateful for having known him. R.I.P., my friend."